can say Mrs. Adorye Ghana for so what kakra ye. Yes, who kasa do as who dinko. Can't you be private? It's not who be sasa dey ya. Ye go show video nyembra ye ba de aka na me de aso so ama.
Na. Yeah, Miku. Jesus, Miku, don't announce it to check kakra. Don't announce it. Check kakra. What did the amount for passport that I had? Check kakra, me announce it. Nyabotre. Miku me announce it. What that TikTok nyabotre. Relax. What you say? Honorable wife, Honorable Mrs. Gifty, Empress, the gazetted one. Hopeson Adorye.
Hey, Mami, who didn't come on? Mami, who kasa? Hey, Mrs. Adorye. As if it's that to a bay. After Franco is so shonama, na tabani na tate. Into the Nikasa tinting, yeah? It's not Gaga Chawa da Pano. What's what you want? Hey, Ryan Yakobo. Hey, Kroba. Ghana fosu kasa Mrs. Adorye. Enyame mekayo. What is an agade to twa da power honum. So utru tutu. It's no jakasa no what? Now airport one ukunu one appointed no. Adio wa franto. It's not just Ghana fosu mimisa se dede na wo ye no. Nature say Mahama memuo no mu benya position bia na well obi eni wana ochi na fa wasempa kodu ntina bia na Mrs. Adorye bia na mpa yes behind every successful man there's a woman, there's a powerful woman. It's not say powers na we exhibit no ho ebetimi ayampa say bia Mahama di ono ye mobro humfo ni na eja ebi obetimi aconsider ba omosika wanu tum kasa dodo. Who behave to say yeah? Oh, it is a more late 40s, more early 50s, middle 50s, equal 60s. I don't know say maba wa dear nyamo mo I don't know musumu yebi. You see a dear munya private BM. Mrs. Adorye your baba betina say no wa ye na ade bi wa enka fesi you say na wutufu. And so better for the natural, you know. Will be beer with social media. Will be beer. We no cruding come and fan. Nego. And conversing you are too loud. Now what's now? You can't say, so I me here show so I say what to tomorrow we are me can't be man. As I'm partying, you are too loud though. Predator. You say no more with you. So your produce or pring Gaga for neka. Me dear minim, I mean me try Mrs. Adorye. Almost behavior age why na why you be a ye as a ukunu na nkasa na as almost no hu ya ye hi wo kasa dodo ono so kasa dodo as a wo pese mo prove point ye de sa ha na ye okurom ha na ye wo oya papa me miss Gaga ma beka sa so na ye bone so so a me de baba be wo wanim say so it's the busuafo adin na ya miss Gaga girl sisi admini Canada Japan ni ho into the me hwehwem kwa yumpna into na chese new party na aba no wo me sabeto so de na also na chese wo fra me Gaga girl la mejo so nti tap send so masne na me de konkonze in 360 high tension e de be so mo crowd.
Your favorite way to send money to Ghana is back. We're excited to announce that Tap Send is back and better than ever. After a brief pause, we are happy to resume our mission of providing fast, affordable, and secure money transfers to Ghana. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Tap Send is working power. And remember, tell your loved ones abroad to send money through Tap Send to stand a chance to win big in the December Sambra promo. Tap Send. Papa no.